This is Lake Maggiore in Varese, north of Milan. The town here is Ispra, which lends its name to the Ispra Joint Research Centre. At the centre, scientists work on ways to control the export of dual-use material and also to prevent the trafficking of nuclear material and on nuclear safety generally.
We help by developing instrumentation which is used at border to detect radioactive equipment. We also help understanding other things which may be on the same track and need to be identified as dual-use items or not. The dual-use goods are those goods which have both civil and military applications. Can be used to develop normal, say, illicit activities, but also are instrumental to building nuclear weapons and non-explosive weapons of mass destructions. It's a huge list, over 200 pages and nearly 2,000 pieces of text, which means materials, software, technology, equipment, and anything.
So if we focus on nuclear security, the keywords here will be physical protection on one hand, so prevention of theft, and then you have the accounting of the material. The operator which uses the material cannot divert material for malicious purposes. That's why we've developed now techniques where we will start irradiating with an outside source, with an external source, and then we can detect in a more efficient way clandestine materials.
The purpose of this instrument is to determine the mass of fissile material inside waste drums.
That material is transported from left to right, and then you're going to look at the country level, at the state level, towards the consistency of its declared activities with its present facilities. What they call state evaluation analysis. And they want to make sure that they have reasonable confidence that the declarations of the state with respect to all its nuclear activities is complete and correct.
For the routine situation, we monitor or we ask to provide us information about all the matrices in the environment. So it goes from air to drinking and surface water, to milk and to mixed diet. There is a compliance with the basic safety standards, which for the emergency situation, the scenario is slightly different. The main difference for that is there is a need for real-time data exchange. And why? The cloud resulting from this can go into any direction and can travel in very short times over a long distance. But of course, over the past few years, we have another smaller scale dimension, which can be terroristic activities. The difference with that is, in fact, as I said, the scale.
We do not do any control here. What we do is research in support to the policy. The policy implies facilitating the harmonized implementation of controls in EU 28.
Is that we spend large amount of our time to train and educate people, where we have many outside colleagues from Moldova, Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, name them, African and so on. They come and they get trained here on technology which has been installed on their borders. If you have them training together, they will also automatically start to collaborate between them.